Of course, you want to eat it. Don't eat it. You'll be, calling the poison control very quickly if you decide that, that's what you want to do. Get your life. Don't do that. Hi, Naturally Curly World. It's G. And I'm here to tell you about my favorite Editor's Choice products that I use in my braided hair regimen because I'm about that braided life. So today, we're going to get into the 3 products that I absolutely love. So the very first product that I like to hydrate my scalp with is the Mane Choice Sweet Strawberry Fruit Medley Hydration Spray. First off, it smells great. So I'm just gonna spray it so I can smell like a strawberry. It works beautifully. Even when my hair is out of braids, I absolutely love it because all I have to do is spray it on just a little bit. And then my curls just start soaking in all the moisture. Oh, it's amazing. It says that it's packed with antioxidants. It minimizes hair loss, which is awesome when you have a protective style. And then it also promotes shine, which is really good for those of us that do need to refresh our hair. What am I gonna do? Hydrate, because it's gonna make your hair shiny. So I'm just gonna do one section, and I wanna make sure that my scalp is hydrated. And all I'm gonna do is just spritz on my hydration spray. Now the key thing to remember is that even though you are getting to the scalp, you don't want to miss the actual strands that are in the extension. So you want to spray those too. Normally I would go all the way around my entire head doing that, but I'm not doing that right now. So I'm going to demonstrate on the other side what I do with oil. So the next product that I absolutely love is Chocolate Kinks and Curls Lemon Rose Renewal Oil. First off, it smells like it sounds. Lemon rose. It's just the perfect combination of fragrances. I also really love that it is super soothing and it's super lightweight. Now, this is my 3rd bottle, and I'm pretty certain that this is all I'm going to use for the rest of the year because I also put it on my skin, and it is amazing. Like, it makes your skin feel so soft, and it absorbs so quickly. Another thing I like about it is that because it's so lightweight, it doesn't leave you all greasy and weird. So like I said, one of the other things that I do in addition to using the hydration mist is I oil my scalp with the lemon rose oil. Super simple, easy to do. Just go through each section. Another really great thing about this is if you are using, like a scalp treatment while you have your protective style lens, if you do use this oil, it's really good because it will help other products not build up on your hair. This is highly recommended by me. I absolutely love this one. The one thing I don't recommend doing is taking oil and like palming it over your extensions. If you do want to hydrate your hair and make sure that the strands are properly moisturized, take your favorite hydration spray, like the Mane Choice, and just gently spritz. And then to lock it in, you want to use a mousse. This is the Mane Choice Pink Lemonade and Coconut Super Antioxidant and Texture Beautifier Mousse. If you have extensions, you got a protective style, and you're like, man, I really need to hydrate, get yourself some mousse. So go ahead and mist up those strands, put in the mousse, and then starting from the base of your braids and then all the way down, just rub it in. Because what you're doing is taking care of your hair that's actually inside the extension. You're helping to lock in that hydration, lock in that moisture, and you're doing it with mousse. This is a really good way to refresh your braids if you don't have your hands on braid refreshing gels, braid refreshing serums. You do happen to have a hydration spray or refresher, a little lightweight oil for your scalp, and your favorite mousse. You can do this regimen so easily. It's ridiculous. Like, if I was at home, this would probably take me about an hour. It might take you about 30-45 minutes, depending on the type of protective style that you have and what your regimen goals are. So yeah, those are my 3 favorite Editor's Choice selections from this year that really surprised me. If you're curious about the beauty portion, you know I'm basic. So wash your body with this. This is Eden Body Works, the body wash. It's coconut scent. It smells really good. One of the things I love the most about this body wash is how lightweight it is, which means that I don't actually have to use a lot of it. I really am used to using like a creamy texture type of body wash, but this one feels more like a really super lightweight serum that suds up very quickly, and I absolutely love that. It smells delicious. It smells like coconuts. Of course, you want to eat it. Don't eat it. You'll be, you know, calling the poison control very quickly if you decide that, you know, that's what you want to do. Get your life. Don't do that. Also, I've talked about this before for my face. I've had a lot of discoloration in the past, and it's always been something that has made me super insecure, even though, you know, you can't tell because I'm very boastful and I project confidence. But anyway, this stuff right here has actually made me a believer in the fact that there's a product out there that can make your face look even, and I absolutely love it. It's Yangu Beauty Cleansing Whip with YMB Complex. It has a very pleasant fragrance, and it's super simple to use. But all you have to do is put some water on your face, pump a couple of pumps of this stuff out, rub it in real good, and I like to leave it on for just like a minute while I'm in the shower, and then just wash it off. And then I glow, and it's amazing, and I love it! And so the really wonderful thing about this one is that you don't have to wear makeup if you don't want to, because your skin will be so even. I'm like, I love you, y'all need this. So the last thing that I like to do is moisturize my face. So I reach for Shea Moisture's 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration micellar water with coconut milk and acai Senegal. I know that that's a really long name, but it's that long because the effects are just as long. I had no idea what micellar water is. I don't know, okay? I could have done research before the video. All I know is I like this, and I think you're gonna like it too. It smells good. You know I'm all about scents. And also, it's got 100% virgin coconut oil in it, which is really good for your skin. It's super easy to use. You just need a cotton ball. Open her up, pour a little bit on, and dab it onto your already cleansed skin. So it's kind of like adding an extra layer of moisture while it's cleaning your skin. It's kind of weird. I don't understand it. I love it though, so I'm gonna keep using it. Micellar water is really good because it's like a rinse-free cleanse, okay? And if you wear makeup, whether it's light, medium, or heavy wear makeup, you can still use micellar water to help lift all of the product off of your face, all of the stuff off of your face, and still have hydrated, beautiful skin. So that was my beauty and hair routine with all of my favorite Editor's Choice products. If you want to see all of the Editor's Choice products I used and the rest of the winners, go ahead and check the description box. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. We make these videos every week, so we'll see you soon. Bye.